Hi, my name is Raul Nemes, and I'm a Senior User Experience Specialist at SMART. This is the third video in the Smart Ink Video Toolkit. In this video, we're going to look at how we can write Smart Ink into PDF documents and PowerPoint documents. So the first thing we'll look at is the icons that you need to be aware of with Smart Ink. There are two icons available, one for the Smart Ink application itself, and one for the Smart Ink document viewer that allows you to write into PDF files. The Smart Ink document viewer has a little document stamp on it, and that's how you'll know that your PDF files will open in the Smart Ink document viewer. Now we'll have a look at how we can use the Smart Ink document viewer to write into PDF files. You'll know that a PDF file opens in the Smart Ink document viewer if you see this icon. So we'll just open this file. And it comes up in the document viewer. By default, the Smart Ink toolbar is displayed and it's gray, indicating that the Smart Ink overlay is turned off. This means that you can write directly into your PDF file. So if I write in this, you'll see that the digital ink goes into the file. I can even write on secure documents. I just have to save them under a new file name. Now if I zoom, my digital ink stays where I've written it. Now I could save this document with my digital ink. Just like we've written digital ink into a PDF file, we can also write digital ink into a PowerPoint document. Let's have a look at how we can do that. And I'm going to use Smart Ink to mark up my document while I'm in presentation mode. So we'll go to presentation mode for this document. The Smart Ink presentation toolbar appears when you're presenting a document. It has new buttons added to it, so you can navigate your slides. So we can go to the next slide and previous slides, or I can go to a specific slide. In this case, this is the slide I want to talk about. I can also write on this slide and say that I want to change something, as I can with any document using Smart Ink. The Smart Ink presentation toolbar may be covering some of your content, so you can just move it around. And if it is covering some of your content still, you can use the transparent toolbar checkbox to make it go transparent, and that'll fade out over time, allowing your content to come through. Let's turn transparency off so we can have a better look at some of the tools available to us. Use the remote pointer tool to point at specific objects on a PowerPoint presentation that you want to draw attention to. This is specifically useful if someone is watching the presentation remotely over Smart Bridget. So to use the pointer tool, simply tap it, and you'll get a message telling you to touch anywhere to set the pointer. So I'll just touch the slide somewhere, and that'll point to where I've touched. I can pick up the pointer tool and move it around, and it will follow me and point to the thing that I want it to point. I can also move it without changing its orientation by grabbing the tail of the pointer. I'll just dismiss this pointer. So now that I've finished my presentation, I can choose to keep this digital ink as part of the presentation or capture it to another document using the Capture tool. Capture tool is available in the Smart Ink toolbar menu. If I were to tap the Capture tool, it would capture this slide into an application such as Smart Meeting Pro, Smart Notebook, or the Smart Ink document viewer, depending on what you've got installed. Now that I've finished my presentation, I'm just going to end the show by tapping the End Show button. Because we've added digital ink to this PowerPoint presentation, PowerPoint is asking us whether we want to keep or discard the digital ink. In this case, I'm going to keep it. Now the digital ink is a permanent part of my PowerPoint presentation, and I can save this document with that digital ink. Now you can see how your presentations will become simply extraordinary using Smart Ink and its digital inking capabilities.